Ground B-208T Bravo after startup ready to taxi.
B891 Bravo, roger, taxi Alpha to Alpha 1.
Taxi via Alpha 1 holding point runway 05 left, jet B891 Bravo.
Two, roger, taxi Delta Alpha, hold Alpha 1.
Delta Alpha, hold Alpha 1, Hainan 702.
Tower jet B891 Bravo holding point runway 05 left Alpha 1 and fully ready for departure.
B891 Bravo, thank you. So just a change of the initial routing there. So after climb out, climb to altitude, climb straight ahead to altitude 5,000 feet. And after passing 4,000 feet, turn left heading 270 degrees.
After departure, climb straight ahead, so climbing altitude 5,000 feet, and after passing altitude 4,000 feet, turning heading 270, jet B891 Bravo.
Jet B891 Bravo, read back correct via Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 05 left.
Runway 05 left via Alpha 1, jet B891 Bravo.
B891 Bravo, runway 05 left, clear for takeoff, wind 090 degrees, 12 knots.
Runway 05 left, clear for takeoff, jet B891 Bravo.
B891 Bravo, climb now, flight level 100.
Climbing for 100, jet B891 Bravo.
And 702 via Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 05 there.
We are Alpha 1, lap with runway 05 left, Hainan 702 heavy. Clear for takeoff, Hainan 702 heavy.
Jet B891 Bravo, contact Scottish 128.055, goodbye.
Contact 128.055 by Jet B891 Bravo.
The radar Golf Charlie, Delta X-ray.
Golf Charlie Delta X-ray from message.
Request standard 3 zone to overfly the airfield, orbit Winslow, carry on to shuttle bank, then home scaffold and continue south to Brown Shepherd Farm near Bath. Current base 1300 feet on a QNH 1024 and 47,000 yearly.
Golf Delta X-ray,
Golf Delta X-ray, squawk 735, 735, 3 to NH 1024, at above 1500 feet. Clear to control Delta X-ray.
Yes, delivery, good afternoon, Emirates 18.
It's 18.